No matter how careful you are with your newly leased Toyota, unexpected things can happen. Things like dents, stains, extra kilometers, tire wear, and other excess wear and tear. For your peace of mind, Toyota Financial Services offers WearPass, an excess wear and tear waiver available for purchase when you lease your Toyota. WearPass is designed to waive these unexpected lease-end charges when you return your vehicle, allowing you to easily transition to a new lease. For those who want to keep their vehicle looking new, we now offer WearPass Plus, which includes all the benefits of WearPass and much more. WearPass Plus allows for certain repairs to be made during the lease and the cost to be waived. This includes things like replacing your front windshield, a broken headlight, or a lost key fob. WearPass Plus also gives you additional excess kilometer allowances at lease-end for added peace of mind and worry-free leasing. Don't sweat the small stuff. Ask your dealership for more information about WearPass and WearPass Plus.